Did you know that most slip and fall accidents happen in the bathroom? The last thing you should worry about when getting a shower is an unexpected injury. There are steps you can take to minimize your risk. So we have Max Lovingood of West Shore Home here to talk about how you can make your bathroom a safer environment. So thanks for hanging out with us.
Thanks for having us back out.
I have been known to get a little clumsy in the bathtub, so I'm glad we are talking about it. So how dangerous can these bathroom falls be?
A lot more dangerous than people think. I mean, the latest CDC study that came out showed that 230,000 people, visit the emergency room every year from accidents in the bathroom, with 80% of that being, slip and falls, and 70% of it being, with getting in and out of or just inside of the shower space. So there's a lot of steps you can take to, make it a safer space so you don't have to, have that risk of, getting an injury in there.
And that is what we call a segue. So please, what can we do to help prevent those slips and falls?
Yeah, so there's numerous different things you can do. One of the most, beneficial things you can do is really just to get the tub out of there and just put in a walk-in shower so you're not having to worry about stepping over the big tub. Then you don't have as many, opportunities to slip and fall. Also putting in, grab bars so that you have a nice safe space to grab onto when you're getting in and out. And then there's other options as far as putting a seat in there or using a handheld shower head to make it easier for you.
So how will a new shower from West Shore Home, make things a little bit more accessible and safer?
Yeah, so we follow some of that same structure where a lot of the projects we do is taking a tub out and putting a very low step-in threshold so that people can step in and out very easily, but also mounting in ADA compliant grab bars that can carry hundreds of pounds so you don't have to worry about them coming loose or falling. And then we have numerous different seat options, some that can fold up and down, some that are mounted, and hundreds of different shower head options with different colors and whatnot to make it easy for everybody.
And then other than your accessibility features, what sets West Shore Homes apart from others?
Yeah, I mean, really the main thing is just the fact that we use our own W2, company installers to do all the work, so you don't have to worry about subcontractors. But not only is it, accessible and safe, but it's also incredibly easy to clean. Sometimes it can take hours to clean, but with us, 30 seconds to clean everything and you're good to go.
Oh, I'm about that, because I've got some grout issues that we won't talk about on camera.
Right.
So are there any specials going on with you guys?
Yeah, we have a special going on right now, but on top of that, for anybody that gives us a call in, we're actually giving them an additional $500 off any shower bath project that they're looking to tackle.
I like a good deal. And something else I love about you guys, when you guys make when you guys lock in a bid, it stays.
Yep, we never change our pricing, and that's our commitment to the customer. All
right, so you guys want to connect with these guys at West Shore Home. They're going to take care of you. The number is 904-906-2860. And like I said, I love a good deal, and I like the safety aspect as well.
Yes, sir.